Yo, what's up guys, Room Dice here. I built a PC and it cost about $1,400. Although it seems like it's expensive, but in reality, like this is an extremely good price. So anyway, let's start with the GPU. It's the 6600 XT, the CPU, the Ryzen 7 5800X. The power supply is FGA Supernova 750 watts, a really good power supply. We have the motherboard is actually a bundle with the GPU, and it's the B550 Steel Legend AM4. It's a good motherboard. It does the job. The storage 2 terabytes, 7200 RPM, and we have a 1 terabyte SSD. For the RAM, it's 16 gigabytes DDR4 3200 megahertz. For the cooling, we have the Noctua NH-U12S. So finally, the case. It's the Corsair 4000D tempered glass mid-tower ITX PC case. As you can see, the reviews are really great. It's a very good case. The GPU is a bit slow, but like if you want to upgrade your GPU, let's say the RTX 3060 Ti, you need to pay like about $350 more. So the total cost will be around $1,900. So because you will lose the motherboard, as I said, it's a bundle, so like it's a really good deal with this GPU. And as you can see, like it's a good GPU, but like if you can afford $350, you can go with the 3060 Ti. As you can see, this is a 4K Ultra settings, 13 different games. Let's see the 1080p benchmarks. If you want to play on 1080p, there is not a very big difference between the 3060 Ti and the 6600 XT. Like in general, the 3060 Ti is about like 25% more powerful, but like the price will be around like $1,900, so it's really expensive. I'll leave the links in the description if you want to buy this PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact me via the email I'll leave below. And goodbye.